In this video, I'll show you how to take off safe mode in your Android phone. So at first, if I enable safe mode, just swipe down and then tap on this power icon. Then touch and hold on the power off option. Then tap on safe mode. Now the phone will take restart. After take the restart, safe mode will be enabled in your phone. And the restart is complete. You can see safe mode has been enabled successfully. Now just unlock your phone. Now if you want to take off safe mode, just swipe down. Now you have to tap here to turn off safe mode option. Then just tap on turn off. Now the phone will take restart again to disable safe mode. And the safe mode has been disabled successfully. Now just swipe down and then disable flight mode from here. And it's complete. And that is how you can take off safe mode in your Android phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.